Alright, I am going to make another 9-piece disappearing 9-piece quilt. So I've got 9 pieces here, and I've got them laid out like this. Alright, and I'm going to get over here and set my camera up. I've got them pinned, ready to stitch together. I've got them pinned together. I hope everybody's doing all right today. Alrighty. Let me get my sewing machine plugged in. All right. Alright, then I'm going to stitch down the other side. Wrong side. Alright, I'm going to cut this off and go press these out. Alright. I have... What did I do with my other one? Yeah. Alrighty. Let me get this pinned together. I had to press the seams down. And I'm putting a layer of one block in the middle that's a print in the middle. Okay, then I'm going to put the other one up right here. Get them seams where they'll match. I just got this fabric in yesterday, and I couldn't wait to get started. I'll bring you back. I gotta go press this one out. All right, I'm gonna, find my, there it is, my rotary cutter. Okay, I'm gonna cut this right down the middle here, and down the middle here. So I've got, it's 4.5 inches wide, right there. Hold on. I got to calculate this a minute. There's 1 1/4 inches. Okay. So, let's see. Yep, I'm still going. I mean 2 1/4 inches. Yeah, I didn't get that right, but maybe it'll turn out. I think I cut that wrong. All right, I'm going to turn this one this way, and this one this way. Then I'm going to sew these together. Get it turned around. Oh, me. This is not hardly cut right, but I'm going to make it do. had to thread my needle back. Well, I didn't get that. Well, I'll bring you. All right, I got it fixed. All right, I'm gonna sew this together. And this block will be done, and then I'm going to turn it off and make the rest of them, and then come back when I get them all made. But I wanted to show you how I did this. There you go. Got to cut the strings off. But that's the first block I got made. So I will bring you back when I get them all together, and then we'll piece them together and then quilt it. All right, I just got through making another 9-patch quilt. 9-patch disappearing quilt. This is what it looks like. I've got another video that I made making the 9-patch, so I'll put that down in the description. That way to show you what it looked like. But this is so pretty. I got this material from Missouri Quilt Company. But that is so pretty. I like the colors in that. It's got the same print, just different colors. And I was just taken with the print, so that's what I got. But that is so pretty. You get the top view of it. I've got the strips made, so I have to sew it together. So, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much, and y'all have a blessed week. Thank you.